Hello. Today I would like to present khanacademy.org, which is a free lesson plan website platform where educators, instructors, especially students, can go and view these lesson plans every month. There are currently 4 million viewers overlooking the lesson plans, studying the lesson plans, learning from these lesson plans, and learning almost anything for free at khanacademy.org. Here in this particular presentation, Dr. Sanjay Gupta is talking with Khan about the future of education. And I will present a portion of this particular video for your information.
Now CNN's Sanjay Gupta on assignment for 60 Minutes.
Take a moment and remember your favorite teacher. Now imagine that teacher could reach not 30 kids in a classroom, but millions of students all over the world. That's exactly what Sal Khan is doing on his website, Khan Academy. With digital lessons and simple exercises, he's determined to transform how we learn at every level. One of his most famous pupils, Bill Gates, says Khan, this teacher to the world, is giving us all a glimpse of the future of education.
The story will continue in a moment.
35-year-old Sal Khan may look like a bicycle messenger, but with 3 degrees from MIT and an MBA from Harvard, his errand is intensely intellectual. In his tiny office above a tea shop in Silicon Valley, he settles in to do what he's done thousands of times before.
We've talked a lot now about the demand curve and consumer surplus. Now let's think about the supply curve.
He's recording a 10-minute economics lesson. It's so simple. All you hear is his voice, and all you see is his colorful sketches on a digital blackboard.
In this video, we're going to talk about the law of demand.
When Khan finishes the lecture, he uploads it to his website, where it joins the more than 3,000 other lessons he's done. In just a couple of years, he's gone from having a few hundred pupils to more than 4 million every month. Has it sunk in to you that you are probably the most watched teacher in the world now?
Yeah, I try not to say things like that to myself. You don't want to think about it too much because it can, I think, paralyze you a little bit. So if we get rid of the percent sign, we move the decimal over.
He's amassed a library of math lectures.
12 plus 4 is 16.
Starting with basic addition and building all the way through advanced calculus.
We're taking the limit as delta x approaches 0. It's the exact same thing.
But he's not just a math whiz. He has this uncanny ability to break down even the most complicated subjects, including physics, biology, astronomy, history, medicine. How much reading do you do ahead of time?
It depends what I'm doing. If I'm doing something that I haven't visited for a long time, since high school, and I'll go buy 5 textbooks in it, and I'll try to read every textbook. I'll read whatever I can find on the internet. Let's talk about one of the most important biological processes.
Sal Khan has tackled so many subjects that if you watched just one of his lectures a day, it would take over 8 years to cover it all.
Huge time scales. Magnetic north is kind of the geographical, and then
Of course, to join khanacademy.org, you will go to khanacademy.org and just click on the sign up tab where you can sign up and become a user of their lesson plans. The plans, of course, are free. And on Khan Academy, for example, you can watch numerous of videos: math, science, computer science, finance, humanities, prepare for a test, talks and interviews, just numerous of subject matters that you would be able to watch and do your practice your math skills, explore computer science, and again, sign up is free. This is just an invaluable website to any student or anyone, actually. This is just great for teachers or anyone to have access to, with lesson plans on many subjects, and they're in video format that you can play and rewind and just until you learn that particular lesson. And this is a way for us teachers to help revolutionize learning and education in the classroom. You can also volunteer on their website, imagine as a teacher or as a student, a Rarity Cause. And this is being also supported, highly supported by Bill Gates and Google. Instructors, substitute teachers, I encourage everyone, of course, to visit Khan Academy. And as I was saying earlier about Khan Academy and Facebook, we will make a list using diigo.com bookmarking tool and take lesson plans from Khan Academy, upload those to Facebook, and they would be readily available to substitute teachers or anyone that's interested in having these lesson plans in order to present to your students. I do thank you very much.